Hey, Wages Transport Channel. I'm Jason. Welcome back. Once again, no, it's not an upgrade or anything about trucking, about the semi, the international. It is once again about the 250 that we recently purchased, and I love this thing. And so much stuff to do to it, and small upgrades that you can do yourself. That it's just so much little things. But happy Father's Day to the fathers out there. My wife bought me some stickers for the 250. Carbon fiber lettering, Super Duty for the front grille, and Super Duty carbon fiber letters for the tailgate lettering. They're embossed in the tailgate and in the front grille, and then the letters just stick in and fit right in. Also, she got me a right now it says FX4 off-road. The FX is in red, and stock came from that factory. Well, she got me FX4 off-road carbon fiber lettering. I don't even really know what it looks like. It's behind the paper. Let's hope it looks good. I'm gonna have to peel off what's on there now, and cannot put that back on. So I hope this looks great. I don't know why it wouldn't, but so yeah, let's go out and take a look, and I'm gonna get this done. So here's what we got. Here's what we got here. Letters. That's for the tailgate. These are the smaller ones for the grill. Pretty cool. And then the two FX4 off-road. All right, let's go check out before I do anything, and during and after. All right, well, first to start off anything, I don't drink coffee, really, much of anything, but I do like my dew. And yeah, let's start off with that. Oh yeah. Yep. That'll work. All right, let's go out here and see what's going on. Oof, nice day. Let's check it out. All right, here's the sticker that I was talking about. FX4 off-road. This is the driver's side. Still good shape, but we are going to slowly start peeling this off. Hold your breath. Just get a bite on it. All right. Come out nice and easy. This is a 2016, so the sticker has been on here for a minute. And so far, it's looking good. Oh yeah, definitely not putting this sticker back on. And it's coming out very easy. Easier than I expected. Alright. There's the aftermath. Don't think I'm going to save that anywhere and put that on the fridge. Just check out what kind of damage we got here. Got a little... I can wipe that down. Maybe put some rubbing alcohol. It's nice and shiny behind there. A little dirty outside, but... Alright, I'm going to wipe this down and get all that line off. See what kind of results we have. Here it is without it. Looks totally different. just for a sticker. All right, I rubbed it down with some alcohol, it's the cloth, and here's the results. All that white line is gone, and if you can see in the camera, but I can tell where the sunburnt paint is. Right there, you can tell. That's the outside of the sticker. This is the inside of the sticker. The camera's going to show, but detect a little off shade here. But that's okay. Not bad, not bad. Yep, just rubbing alcohol, got it all off. Got a little flyaways away. I'm gonna stick that sticker on there right now. Let's do it. All right, for this I'm not gonna record it because I need two hands and I don't have all that fancy stand stuff that everybody else have. But I'm going to put this on. Rudder. Let's give it a try. All right, well, I got the gap here. Matches with that gap. And it's stuck on there. Now this is just the top layer. Let's see what it looks like. A little bubble there. A bubble there. Don't think this needs to stay on there. Wow, that's pretty nice. I like it. A couple little bolt rolls that I can push out. Get those. That one, yeah. How about that? All right, so this is the driver's side. Let's check out the passenger side. Yeah. Oh, wait, what happened? That's what happened. Yeah, this one didn't turn out so well. I put it on a little crooked and I don't like it like that. So I started trying to pull it back off and no good. So this is what it ended up being, a little big ball of sticky paper. But, oh well, I'll have to get another one for this side. Oops. It's okay, it happens, it's stickers, right? So, yep, all right, well, at least we know what it looks like on this side. And now, super duty. Those letters are gonna be put on now. So I'm gonna clean those with alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and start up those letters. Alright, so the package that we got, or that she bought me, was came 2 letters, 2 of everything. So I guess they expect you to mess up at least once on each letter. So yeah, here's the sticker, here's the S, I measured it up and feel like I felt it, and it feels good. That it's gonna fit in there really good. So this got the right size. Let's try that out. Well, there's the first one. Now I see why they give you two, because these are like rubber feeling, like they're real stretchy. So you peel them off, and they're just they're I don't know if I'm gonna like that or not. See, it's like off here, down here. Very flexible sticker. It's not sturdy at all. So let's give a couple more letters a try. Well, all right, so it's all done. I'm not really happy with the quality of work, and the letters are very rubbery, like they stretch. So they flex and bend, and they don't really help you out with that. But I mean, there's no way I'm gonna get them perfect unless you have like a template, which they probably could have came up with a better way of doing it, but some kind of template and just push them on. But I like the outcome. I just don't like the quality of my work. But that's good. From a distance, we'll see if I can hang with it. You can always peel off a letter and put another one on if I don't like it. So we'll live with it for a minute, see what we see how it comes out in time. The front grille, I'm gonna hold off on that one until I figure out if this is the way to go or not. All right, thanks for watching. This is just adding stickers to the Super Duty wording and the sticker on the side of the truck. All right, thanks for watching.